There we go. I should have done it. There we go. I should know better than that. Well, that sucked. Well, y'all can't see that anyway, so I'm just trying to have some kind of fun, considering the weather has been kind of not too friendly today. It's been raining most of the day, and I don't feel like getting myself sick because I still got to work at the end of the day. Well, that sucked. Alright guys, this was a pretty hard spot for Sly Cat before. Can do it now, but it's wet and muddy. So we're going to see how well she does when it's wet and muddy. Yeah, the tires ain't. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, she ain't liking that. There we go. A little bit of a fight, but she got up. Now, I've never done this going in, because before it didn't go well, so I have a feeling it's not going to go good now. Just gonna try to creep our way in. Huh. Before she would just plow right in. I'm not gonna show you the other side because it can do it with ease. Let's see if I can give y'all a better perspective here on what we're dealing with. There we go. Hopefully that don't fall, or y'all don't fall. May not be doing good now. I'm all caked up. Uh-oh. There you go. She barely made it that time. Them Hyraxes are gummed up pretty good. They all muddied up. But I say they do pretty good for the conditions. Alright guys, we're going to go up this, or at least try to. It's like I failed on the first try, and I see a little hole from some critter, so we might scare a critter out. No real good spot to set the phone down, even with this tripod, so if my one-handed video kind of sucks here, I do apologize. I am not a pro at doing one-handed driving and kind of using both. I ain't like some of the other pros that have videos out there, so. She actually did this okay? Wow. Okay. I figured there'd be a little struggle here, because it's just as muddy. I gotta give it though to Proline, their Hyraxes. They actually did a pretty good job. I'm hoping one day to, when I get my next crawler, I'm gonna go for the trenchers, because I like those as a bashing tire. I can only imagine how they're gonna be as a crawler tire. We're gonna try this. I have never successfully got all the way up there, and you'll see me probably struggle even worse. That's usually where she gets. I can't even get that lucky bounce. Whoa. Oh man. Oh. Wow. This is actually the best it's done. I may have to wait for a day that's dry. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, Lord. Did you see that? I thought I had it. Oh, wow. You know what? I might get lucky today. Oh, maybe not. This is actually the best I've seen Sly Cat do right here. This is right behind my house. I try not to come back here because I almost got hurt one day sliding down a rock or a creek bed back down further. So it ain't worth it to me. Oh man, I want Sly Cat to make this so much. Whoa! Well, we tried. I'm gonna give it one more whirl. She is very dirty right now. Well, dang. So close, but no cigar. Alright guys, I shut the camera off and I finally made it twice. Funny how that works out. So we're going to try this with y'all sitting on a tree branch. I ain't figured out what I'm doing yet. But I do know I got something caught there. There we go. Oh! No. Ah. And there you have it. I made it up. Finally. That's the third time Sly Cat has done it up this little section. And it did it when it's muddy. I'm happy. I'm surprised and I'm happy. That upgraded steering servo really does help. Yeah, I'm happy. Awesome.